A Bad Kitty Christmas, written by Nick Rule and told by Jayden. This is Bad Kitty. He is ripping his Christmas presents. Bad Kitty gets in trouble for ripping his presents and wanting more. The family went to go see their uncle. Bad Kitty and Puppy jumped out the window of the car. An old lady finds Bad Kitty and keeps him for a while. The old lady takes him in her house, gives him some fish. Meanwhile, Puppy is searching for Kitty. The old lady shows Kitty her family. Will Bad Kitty and Puppy find each other? Will they find their way home?